In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your signature in DocuSign following this full 2025 guide. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. This is where all your signature customization options will be located. Make sure you log in with your credentials to access your profile and signature settings. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your profile. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and then select Manage Profile from the drop-down menu. This section is your gateway to personalizing your DocuSign experience, where you can upload signatures and more. Next, within the Manage Profile settings, you will find an option labeled Signatures. Clicking on this will bring up a list of any signatures you may have already uploaded alongside the option to add new ones. Now it's time for the exciting part, adding your signature. Look for the ADD signature button and give it a click. This is where you'll actually upload your signature image. Once there, you'll see an upload option. Selecting this will allow you to choose the file containing your signature from your computer. Make sure your signature image is clear and meets any file size requirements specified by DocuSign for the best results. After selecting your file, click on Upload Signature. This step places your signature into the DocuSign system, where it will be stored for use on official documents. Once your signature has been successfully uploaded, you'll see a button that says Create. Clicking on Create finalizes the upload process, making your signature ready for use whenever you need it. But we're not done yet. Apart from your primary signature, DocuSign also allows you to upload your initials separately. This can be particularly useful for documents that require them for things like approvals or initials on each page. So, go ahead and click on Upload Initials to add your initials in the same manner as your signature. Finally, you will need to click on Create again to ensure your initials are saved. This completes the process, making both your signature and initials available whenever you are completing a document through DocuSign. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your signature and initials to DocuSign, ensuring that your digital signing experience is personalized and efficient. With these steps, you'll be well prepared to handle any document signings that come your way with professional ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials.